Hi, my name is Alex and this is my dividend income channel. This is my dividend portfolio update for December. My current dividend portfolio is $31,343.67, an increase of just over 6.24% from November. November's was $29,502.56. In the month of December, my portfolio had 15 stocks that paid dividends. This is the most ever. December is a big month for companies paying out. First up is 3M, ticker symbol MMM. The dividend payment was for $14.90 from a total of 10 shares paying a dividend of $1.49 each. The dividend was paid on December 12th. Next dividend payment is the 12th of March and the ex-dividend date cutoff is the 16th of February. The current yield is 4.8%. 3M is still a mess with all their legal troubles, which has really put me off buying any more. I'm going to continue taking the dividend until it subsides. Next up is Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. The dividend payment was for 66 cents from a total of 3 shares paying a dividend of 22 cents each. The dividend payment was paid on December 30th. The next dividend payment is the 31st of March and the ex-dividend date cutoff is the 2nd of March. The current yield is 2.6%. I picked up another 7 stocks this month. This is a reliable stock that has a low payout ratio and a relatively low buy-in price, especially now it has dropped into the low $30 range. Next up is Schwab ETF, ticker symbol SCHD. The dividend payment was for $2.81 from a total of 4 shares paying a dividend of just over 70 cents each. The dividend payment was on December 12th. The next dividend payment is March 27th and the ex-dividend date cutoff is the 22nd of March. The current yield is 3.4%. I want to add monthly to this, picked up 2 more shares recently, taking my total to 6. Next up is Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO. The dividend payment was for $35.20 from a total of 80 shares, paying a dividend of 44 cents each. The dividend payment was paid on December 15th. The next dividend payment is the 3rd of April and the ex-dividend date cutoff is the 14th of March. The current yield is 2.8%. This is my largest holding, a dividend king that I don't have to worry about and can hold forever. As this is my largest holding, I have not bought any for months. Once I diversify more and build up the other holdings, I will get up to an even 100 shares. The next one is Enbridge Inc., ticker symbol ENB. The dividend payment was for $5.10 from a total of 8 shares paying a dividend of just over 63 cents each. The dividend payment was on December 1st. The next dividend payment is March 1st and the next dividend date cutoff is the 14th of February. The current yield is 6.6%. I recently posted a video on the dividend increase here. I recently bought more shares, taking my total to 11. Next one is Intel, ticker symbol INTC. The dividend payment was for $14.60 from a total of 40 shares paying a dividend of just over 36 cents each. The dividend payment was on December 1st. The next dividend payment is March 1st. The ex-dividend date cutoff is the 6th of February. The current yield is 5.5%. I have not bought any Intel for a while. I do think that it is tempting now, just over $26. If I was not trying to build up other positions, I would be buying more. I have an average buy price of $37, so I would like to bring this down. The next one is JPMorgan Equity Premium ETF, ticker symbol JEPI. The dividend payment was for $15.15 from a total of 25 shares, paying a dividend of just over 61 cents a share. The dividend payment was on December 6th. The next dividend payment is January 3rd. The ex-dividend date cutoff is December 29th. The current yield is 11.3%. There is a lot to like about this ETF and I've continued buying shares in it. I've bought another 15 this month, taking it to 40. I have a target of 100, so still a way to go. The next one is Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ. The dividend payment was for $4.52 from a total of 4 shares, paying a dividend of just over $1.13 each. The dividend payment was December 6th. The next dividend payment is on March 14th. The ex-dividend date cutoff is the 27th of February. The current yield is 2.5%. I want to buy more. I do have a buy alert which has not been alerted yet. I may have to dollar cost average in. The next is Kraft Heinz, ticker symbol KHC. The dividend payment was for $1.20 from a total of 3 shares, paying a dividend of just over $1.20 each. The dividend payment was on December 30th. The next dividend payment is March 24th. The ex-dividend date cutoff is 9th of March. The current yield is 4%. I've spoken about this stock before. I may drop it and sell out at some point. The next up is Main Street Capital Corporation, ticker symbol MAIN. I had 2 payments this month. One was a regular payment for $11 from a total of 50 shares, paying 22 cents a share. This was paid on December 15th. The second one was a special dividend of $5 paid on the 28th of December. The next dividend payment is January 13th. The ex-dividend date cut-off is the 5th of December. The current yield is 7.2%. I was happy with the share amount, but the price dropped again and I bought more. I will continue to add at these prices. Next up is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. The dividend payment was for $1.24 from a total of 2 shares, paying a dividend of just over 68 cents each. The dividend payment was on December 8th, and the next dividend payment is March 9th. The ex-dividend cut-off is the 15th of February. The current yield is 1%. I want to add more, just waiting for the price to drop below 240. Next up is Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. The dividend payment was for $1.60 from a total of 4 shares, paying a dividend of 40 cents each. The dividend payment was on December 5th. The next dividend payment is March 3rd. The ex-dividend date cut-off is the 26th of January. The current yield is 3.1%. They've just increased their dividend payment to 41 cents. I want to build on this position in 2023. Next up is Realty Income, ticker symbol O. The dividend payment was for $6.20 from a total of 25 shares, paying a dividend of just over 24 cents each. The dividend payment was on December 15th. Next dividend payment is January 13th, and the ex-dividend date cut-off is the 30th of December. The current yield is 4.6%. I'm buying this monthly, and I have a target of 100 shares. Next up is STAG Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. The dividend payment was for 49 cents from a total of 4 shares. The dividend payment was on December 15th. The next dividend payment is January 17th. The ex-dividend date cut-off is the 29th of December. The current yield is for 4.5%. Once I've built up Realty Income, I will start adding to this. And finally, finishing with TROW Price Group, ticker symbol TROW. The dividend payment was for $4.80 from a total of 4 shares, paying just over $1.20 each. The dividend payment was on December 29th. The next dividend payment is on March 30th. The ex-dividend date cut-off is March 14th. Current yield is 6.7%, one I would like to build on in 2023, just waiting for the price to come down a little. A quick summary: after the 15 payments, this takes it to a grand total of $124.47. This beat last month and now is my highest ever monthly payment. I can really start to reinvest and actually pick up a couple of shares with this payment. Now to navigate through 2023, which analysts are predicting to be a continued downward spiral. I will be buying all the way through it. Some positions I really want to build on, and if prices are suppressed, I can really hit my targets. I hope everyone has a great New Year's Eve, and I will be back posting in January. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Here are a couple more videos you might be interested in.